Twin City Fan is a global leader in air movement, engineering, design, and manufacturing of high-performance industrial and commercial fans. Our innovation, technical expertise, and commitment to quality have shaped our legacy since 1974. With tens of thousands of successful installations worldwide, we offer solutions for the most demanding application, from fractional 1/8 horsepower fans up to 20,000 horsepower fans, extreme duty systems. Our strategically located facility in the US, Singapore, China, Czech Republic, UAE, and India have enabled us to serve our customers around the globe with speed and reliability.
Twin City Fan is truly global. Not only our fans are everywhere in every continent, our employees come from over 20 different countries. This diversified workforce gives us unique capabilities to understand different cultures and to service our customers globally.
Twin City Fan is a group of companies of fans and blowers. Our brands include Twin City Fan, established in 1974, Aerovent, established in 1932, and Claridge, established in 1874, more than 150 years ago. While Aerovent focuses on industrial axial fans, Claridge focuses on heavy-duty fans, and Twin City focuses on commercial and industrial fans.
Known as TCF, the Twin City Fan history in India started in 2004 when we started manufacturing in Chennai, India,
for the Indian customers and global customers expanding operations in India. Today, Twin City Fan India Private Limited, the wholly owned subsidiary of TCF USA, is dedicated to delivering the complete range of TCF products in India, offering tailor-made solutions in engineering, sales, after-sales service, retrofit, quality, and project management. As the business grew and with the India market's tremendous potential, TCF made a strategic investment in a brand new state-of-the-art manufacturing facility. This plant is equipped with modern machinery such as laser cutting machines, which can cut up to 20 millimeters thickness, automatic rolling machines, press brakes, dynamic balancing machines to ensure vibration levels with ISO standards, and comprehensive testing capabilities to align with the international and Indian standards. Our goal is to offer world-class quality, precision, and responsiveness to the growing needs of our customers across India.
The decision to expand in India was driven by the need to offer strong local support in sales, engineering, retrofit, R&D, and procurement, especially as more global clients established operations here. Our Indian team is equipped with high level of fan engineering expertise and is capable of delivering complete air movement solutions across a wide range of industries. At TCF, we utilize a sophisticated fan selection tool developed by our US experts to support sales and ensure optimal performance outcomes for our customers. Our engineering and project execution teams are trained to tackle complex challenges, delivering advanced application-specific solutions for industries such as automobile, refineries, textiles, and pharmaceuticals. With the right product, right quality, and right delivery time, we aim to exceed customer expectations every time.
No matter where you are, what application you have, you can always count on Twin City Fan.